reunion. So I have Brian, Grayson, Brooklyn, and my niece Penelope with me. And we are locked down in my car because I forgot my keys in the car. That's what happens when you go on trips sometimes. Thankfully we have some roadside assistance coming. But I'm going to share my video with you today. It's called Michael Finnagin, and this is just a silly rhyme song. And what you do is you start slow and you get faster and faster. Say hi, Grayson. Okay, come sit by me and play the game. Alright, it goes like this. There was an old man named Michael Finnagin. He had whiskers on his chin again. He shaved them off, but they grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnagin. Can you guys say, begin again?
Begin again.
There was an old man named Michael Finnagin. He had whiskers on his chin again. He shaved them off, but they grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnagin.
Begin again.
There was an old man named Michael Finnagin. He had whiskers on his chin again. He shaved them off, but they grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnagin.
Begin again.
There was an old man named Michael Finnagin. He had whiskers on his chin again. He shaved them off, but they grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnagin. Begin again. There was an old man named Michael Finnagin. He had whiskers on his chin again. He shaved them off, but they grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnagin.
Begin again.
Oh,
Begin again.
so you can keep going and going and going and make it faster and faster and faster. And it's just a fun rhyming game, and it gets them involved because they get to say begin again. Hope you enjoy that. Hope I get my door unlocked soon. We also have a cart full of groceries. Oh well. Alright. Have fun, guys. We'll see you later.